Ever had a day where a tiny banking mistake turned into a financial disaster? I have. And for me, that disaster involved my account at Regions Bank and a classic, but brutally expensive, lesson about something called the available balance. Now, Regions is a great bank. They've got a huge presence in the Southeast, a user-friendly app, and tons of services. But my mistake wasn't about the bank itself, it was about me not fully understanding a fundamental banking rule. I learned a lesson that probably cost me more than a month's worth of groceries, and I want to share that lesson so you don't make the same one. The costly overdraft cascade. My story started with an honest mistake. I miscalculated my balance. I had a few automated bills come out, and I made a quick debit card purchase at a gas station. I checked my balance in the app, saw a number I thought was safe, and went about my day. The trouble was, that number I saw wasn't my true available balance. It was what banks often call the current balance, the total dollar amount in the account before all those pending charges have been fully processed. The gas station charge was still pending, and a few other small automatic payments hadn't posted yet. So, I made one more small purchase, thinking I had a few dollars to spare. That one small purchase was the trigger. It pushed my account into a negative balance. That single transaction resulted in a $36 overdraft fee. And here's where the cascade started, because the account was now negative, those other pending charges, the gas, the small auto-pay bills, they all started to hit the negative balance, and each one of them triggered another $36 fee. Within 48 hours, what started as a few dollars short ended up with me paying over $100 in fees, all because I misunderstood one number on the screen. The biggest lesson, available versus current. This was a painful, expensive lesson, but it taught me the most crucial rule in checking account management: never trust the current balance alone. 1. Know your available balance. The most important number is the available balance. This is the real amount of cash you have right now to spend. It accounts for all deposits that have cleared and all pending transactions that the bank has already authorized. The current balance might look higher because it doesn't always reflect those debit card transactions that are still in the queue. 2. Overdraft protection is essential. After this fiasco, I immediately set up two things. First, I enrolled in overdraft protection. This is a service that links your checking account to your savings account or a line of credit. If I go negative again, instead of paying a $36 overdraft fee, Regions will automatically transfer money from my savings to cover the difference, usually for a much smaller transfer fee or even for free, depending on the account. This is a crucial safety net against the cascade of fees. 3. Use the app's transaction detail. I started treating the Regions mobile app not just as a balance checker, but as an active financial ledger. I now scroll through the recent transactions section every single day and look for the word pending. That word is my warning sign. I mentally subtract every pending amount from the current balance to get my true available balance. This whole experience was a harsh reality check. Banking isn't just about moving money, it's about understanding the specific rules your bank operates by, especially the rules around available funds. That initial mistake at Regions was terrible, but it forced me to become a more disciplined and financially aware adult, which is a massive win in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.